Project details. Tokenized platform for decentralized autonomous disaster relief funds. The tokenized platform for decentralized autonomous disaster relief funds revolutionizes disaster response by leveraging blockchain technology to facilitate transparent, efficient, and decentralized relief efforts. This platform empowers individuals and organizations to contribute to disaster relief funds, manage allocations, and track impact autonomously, ensuring timely and effective responses to humanitarian crises. Platform initialization. Smart contracts are deployed on the blockchain to establish the tokenized platform for decentralized autonomous disaster relief funds, defining relief protocols, donation mechanisms, governance structures, and membership rules. Fund creation. Disaster relief funds, DRFs, are created on the platform, specifying fundraising goals, disaster response objectives, allocation criteria, and governance mechanisms. Each DRF represents a unique opportunity for decentralized disaster relief. Token generation. DRF tokens representing ownership stakes in the relief fund are generated and distributed to contributors through token sales, donations, or staking mechanisms, granting holders rights to participate in governance and decision-making. Disaster identification. When a disaster occurs, individuals or organizations identify and verify the extent of the crisis, providing information on affected areas, populations, and urgent needs to the platform. Donation process. Contributors donate funds or digital assets to selected disaster relief funds through the platform's donation interface, with donations recorded transparently on the blockchain. Allocation decision. DRF managers or token holders review donation inflows, assess disaster impact assessments, and propose allocations for relief efforts, considering factors such as severity, urgency, and effectiveness of response strategies. Voting process. Token holders vote on proposed allocations using their voting power, casting votes in favor, against, or abstaining based on their assessments of allocation priorities and relief strategies. Quorum requirement. Allocation proposals may require a minimum quorum of votes to be considered valid, ensuring sufficient participation and engagement from token holders in decision-making processes. Decision outcome. Allocation proposals are decided based on predefined voting rules, with decisions determined by consensus, majority vote, or other specified criteria encoded in smart contracts. Execution and implementation. Approved allocation proposals are executed automatically through smart contracts, triggering resource deployments, aid distributions, or support activities as specified in the allocation plan. Impact tracking. DRF managers or token holders monitor the progress and impact of relief efforts, tracking outcomes, beneficiaries served, and effectiveness of response strategies to ensure accountability and transparency. Feedback mechanisms. Contributors provide feedback on relief efforts, allocation effectiveness, and platform performance, informing future decision-making and platform improvements. Contributors, token holders. Individuals or organizations contributing funds or digital assets to disaster relief funds on the platform, possessing ownership stakes in the funds and rights to participate in governance processes. Disaster relief funds, DRFs. Decentralized autonomous funds established on the platform to facilitate disaster response efforts, pooling resources, coordinating allocations, and implementing relief activities in affected areas. Disaster response managers. Experienced professionals or organizations responsible for managing disaster relief funds, identifying needs, proposing allocations, and implementing relief efforts to address humanitarian crises. Beneficiaries. Individuals, communities, or organizations affected by disasters and receiving support, resources, or services from relief efforts funded through the platform's disaster relief funds. Smart contracts. Self-executing contracts deployed on the blockchain, governing the operations of the tokenized platform for decentralized autonomous disaster relief funds, including donation processes, governance mechanisms, and allocation decisions. Blockchain network. The underlying blockchain infrastructure supporting the platform's operations, providing transparency, security, and immutability for donation transactions, governance events, and relief activities. Plus. Contributors, disaster, smart. Token, relief, contracts. Plus. This diagram illustrates the interaction between different entities involved in the tokenized platform for decentralized autonomous disaster relief funds. Contributors donate funds, relief managers propose allocations, token holders vote on allocation decisions, and smart contracts govern relief activities autonomously on the blockchain network.